Okay, good afternoon guys. Today I'm gonna make mango avocado salad. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need 1 avocado, 1 mango, 2 tomatoes, 1 jalapeno, anya dayon, og almonds. Onya guys, not almonds, walnuts. And then our dressing is lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, black pepper, and salt, pink salt to taste. Okay, so all the avocado. Okay, so that's good. I like the avocado. Oh, it's easy like that only, guys. Okay. Okay, wash my hands and all the fruits. Okay, and let's put it here. I use this small one. Okay, guys. It seems that it's very fun. There's a lot of, not like the other one. It's kuan guys, kanang kuanon dito, kanang subukon. Okay, so the mango is, that's it, the mango. Choose 2 tomatoes. Okay, let's get the seeds, guys. We don't need the seeds, okay? So let's chop or slice. Okay. I'm gonna use the bigger one. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, let's get the seeds. Mm. You slice it very small. So there. And then I put the almonds here. Okay. So that's the jalapeno, almond, tomatoes, avocado, and mango. Dressing. So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then brown sugar, a teaspoon of brown sugar and chili flakes. Salt, guys. Pepper. And now so this is it, guys. So I'm gonna taste it, guys. I'm gonna put it here in a small container. So this is our mango avocado salad. It's tasting times. It's very refreshing, guys. It's very yummy. Because there's a chili powder, so it seems that there's a little hotness or spiciness, but we can manage it, so it's okay. And it's very refreshing and it's very yummy, guys. So that's our mango avocado salad. It's done and it's super yummy. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.